Police, with the assistance of security forces, Army and CRPF, have arrested 3 individuals who had created a terrorist module and who have been helping one terrorist commander, Parvez Wani of Handwada, who is the divisional commander of Hizb in North Kashmir. They were helping him to recruit the young boys and to make them to join the militancy. We have been able to burst this module and we have recovered pistols and other ammunition from them. This has been the 3rd successive bursting of these kind of modules. We don't allow them to build a superstructure of militancy because their effort is always to make the vulnerable boys to join their fold so that militancy takes roots in Baramulla. I appeal the parents and the conscientious elements of the civil society to come forward to help police so that we are able to prevent these boys from joining the militancy. We have been successful in doing so earlier also, and I hope we should be able, together with the civil society, we should be successful in making these boys to understand the futility of violence.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 01942468500 2468501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.